Howdy folks, we recently went on a cruise on the Disney Wish, the brand new beautiful cruise ship that Disney just released last year. And we tried to find the track and walk around the outdoor track. Well, we quickly found, as many people had told us before, that this didn't exist. Strange indeed. Well, we took a video of ourselves walking around. I guess we were on the starboard side, walking forward, hoping to walk around the track. We've been on, of course, the Disney Dream, the Disney Fantasy, the Disney Magic. All of those have a track that goes outside. It's kind of covered. Then you kind of go to an interior, but you're still going around a circle. On the Magic and the Wonder, you also have this cool area in the front that you walk through where you can see some equipment and things in place as you're walking around. So that's kind of a cool thing to see. But on the Disney Wish, you're walking and you're seeing and you're realizing it ends. When you start down on deck 4 and you're walking, you don't go any further. You can go up some steps to deck 5 and we'll show you that. You can walk a little further and you're thinking maybe you could walk around the front there. Not happening. You can go up to deck 6, kind of a cool spot there where you can walk to the front of the ship at that point. Do your little Titanic moment at the very front. But at the end of the day, if you're thinking of a walking track around this ship, it just does not exist. Now, true, there may be a track inside the Hero Zone. The Hero Zone to me was kind of sketchy. It was kind of hard to tell whether you were able to go in there or not, whether it was family time, whether it was teen time, kid time. Sometimes I felt out of place going into that Hero Zone that had the gym and possibly had a little track that you could go around in there as well. But as far as this outdoor track out here, it just didn't exist for the purposes of walking around the ship, and I must admit that I did miss this. So it starts right here, so it's kind of wild, isn't it? Does it say something about cruise on there? Hey, it's not terribly warm, as you think. That's a big old boat. No, that's crew only.
That's crew only. So you're the dead end.
So the track starts. That's a darn
dead end.
Huh. Okay. Yep. It appears. You can tell the walking track. Or the running track or the jogging track. That's quite a set of steps to come up to begin with. Okay.
It is.
It appears that this is on the other side, but I guess we could go up and we'll have to come back down. Just be careful. Oh, cool.
Holy cow. There's two people down below. It's like, yeah. I haven't seen that on the other ships. So there's the Wish, the Carnival Conquest, the Carnival Liberty. There's the Celebrity Edge, and there's something in between. I'm not sure what else. There's Cozumel. The one I like a little better, I guess. I guess to go back down, I could go to the other side. Oh, because I don't guess there's any other way to do it, is there? If you're going to come up here, you got to walk it. What'd you say? Oh, I see. You're right. If you're going to go up, get a wheelchair, you conceivably could go up there. Huh. That one wasn't out on the edge as much, was it? I didn't feel like I was at the front of the Titanic in the same way. You got to go back up there now. Yeah, I didn't feel it because I felt like there was a big edge over the edge still. Be careful. Okay. The end.
The end again.
So if you're going to truly do a track, it doesn't exist. It's go up.
Go to the terminal.
Oh, isn't that a...
So that's our walk around the track here on the Disney Wish. As you can tell, it's not really a track, it's just some areas to walk around on the ship, and that's fine. But I think I do miss that track that goes all the way around the ship. Until next time, happy meandering.